This is a 2011 Ram truck. All of the following features are included: a bed liner, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. This truck also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
World Ford Stone Mountain is located at 3800 Highway 78 in Snellville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.